Let's talk about this creamy basil pesto pasta. And make sure you like and subscribe for more recipes from your boy, Chef J Mills, in the building. All right, so we're gonna saute some peppers and onions with some salt-free seasoning and some, I can't believe it's not butter. Then we're gonna take our pesto sauce that we made at home. If you check out our shorts, you'll see like one of our last videos is this easy pesto sauce that you can make at home without pine nuts, because I'm not a pine nut fan, so I use walnuts instead. And we're gonna use that in our pasta water as well as in our dish. And we're gonna use it a few more times as well. A little bit goes a long way. You don't really wanna use too much of that pesto sauce because it'll overpower everything and you won't get the flavors of all the other ingredients. All right, so like I said, we're gonna use it again. So we have some chicken that we're roasting. If you're a vegetarian or a vegan, you don't have to use the meat. You can just use the vegetables in this dish. But I'm not a vegan or vegetarian, so I'm gonna use it on the chicken as well. And so we just spread this over our chicken, and notice that the chicken has already been baking a little bit. So, you know what I mean? I don't like to spread it on there raw. I like to let the chicken kind of bake a little bit and get the flavors of the seasonings and stuff, and then spread the pesto on there and kind of just let it caramelize over the top. All right, now, like I said, we're using, I can't believe it's not butter. So if you are vegan, right, or if you are vegetarian, then this is not real butter. So you could use this and you can make this recipe just like I'm making it right now. We got some broccoli, and look how fresh the broccoli looks. It looks amazing. And we season this up really good later. But this is what we do to it, guys. We add some nice tomatoes that have been seasoned with pepper and Italian seasoning. And you know, you want to add flavor to every part of your food, right? Like, the reason that we season tomatoes is because we want them to be flavorful as well, and they're going to add flavor to everything else in this dish as it binds everything together. Yeah, get all the juice in there. You know what I'm saying? Don't play with them. All right, now add some minced garlic. And one thing, guys, I want to let you guys know: tomato, garlic, butter, all that stuff goes very well together. When you're cooking, you want to build on your flavors. That's what you want to do. You want to build on your flavors. You want every piece and every bite that goes into somebody's mouth to taste delicious. Right? Like I said, butter, garlic, lime juice, tomato, acidity, butter, garlic, all goes well together all the time. Don't ever forget that. All right, and like I said, we're gonna use the pesto sauce again, a little bit more pesto, you know, just to continue to add that pesto flavor. And there's so many great herbs in here: basil, rosemary, parsley, all of those different things. And then, you know, we got lemon juice. But like I said, go back and watch how we made the pesto so you can see everything that's in it, and you can see how it's going to add flavor and bind this whole dish and bring everything together. But it's looking beautiful and smelling great already. And like I said, if you're vegan, we ain't used no meat yet, right? You can really keep it like this. You can add mushrooms instead of chicken, right? All right, so it's looking delicious, and like I said, you can add mushrooms, but we're gonna go ahead and pour the pasta in. Now, look at how that pesto sauce has been sticking to the pasta. You see those little, and we like to keep a little bit of the pasta water just for flavor. All right, and now it's in there. And if you use portobello mushrooms or shiitakes or anything like that, you can take that pesto and roast those mushrooms and spread a little bit of that pesto over there. Oh, it's gonna add so much flavor. So vegans and vegetarians, don't say we don't do nothing for y'all, because we do. And we do have Physician in the Kitchen on the channel as well. So if you're looking for vegan recipes, make sure you check her out. If you're a carnivore and you like meat and seafood and food and all kind of, you know, food, you know, check out my boy Fat Boy Chronicles. He's also on the channel. And so, look, a little bit more of the pesto. Like I said, you don't want to go crazy with this, because it's good, but it will overpower everything if you do too much. So you just want to add a little bit at a time and be tasting as you go along to see how much you need. So now we're gonna add a little cheese, and the cheese is just gonna bind everything together and just give it a little more creaminess. We did add heavy cream in the pesto, so this is like creamy pasta, and I like that about it. So I did saute some steak, and I used salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning, oregano, and all those different things on the steak as well. And that's the chicken that we roasted with the pesto sauce. It's all done and ready to go. So now we're just gonna dump that on top of the pasta, and we're almost ready to eat. You know what I mean? And look how beautiful this dish is, guys. That's a lot of protein. So, and you got your carbs from your pasta. You got your veggies. So this is like a hearty meal, and it's like a one pot, one bowl type meal that a lot of people do be looking for when they're doing like meal prep, or when they're doing like eating for like fitness and things of that nature. You got protein, carb, veggies. You got everything you need all in one dish. You got healthy fats. It's an amazing one pot meal. And it's a ton of flavor. All the pesto, the tomatoes, everything. So y'all make this recipe. If you do, comment, let me know you made it. Let me know how it turned out. And make sure you like and subscribe for more Eat and Drink TV. This your boy Chef John signing off. Peace.